In this video, I will tell you how to fix Alinma app keeps freezing. Welcome everyone. So it is simple and easy. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Alinma app, then tap on app info option. After that, tap on storage usage option on the top, and then tap on clear cache, and after that tap on clear data, and now okay. Now close this app. And the next step is go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad, and then tap on search option in the bottom right corner, and tap on search bar on the top, and here type Alinma, and then OK. Here you will see update option, so simply update this app to the latest version. This will fix the freezing issue. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.